Guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Temu unboxing. Yay! So let's see what we have in here. Oh, I know what this is. I remember ordering this. I already have one of these and I wanted to get another one. So let's see. Excuse me, you guys. I have the hiccups and it's driving me crazy. So this is a multifunctional scale divider drawing tool, architect ruler. I don't know. I don't know. It's got a million different names, but it was only $1.79. And this item is now sold out, the one that I bought, but there are lots more on Temu, okay? So, a lot of people are calling this a caliper drawing tool or a scale divider, sizing sketch ruler. So anyway, I don't know what the real name is for it because there are so many different names for it. But what it is to help you to draw. And it comes with all of these extra clips in case you lose these clips, which is really nice. I'm just going to take these and put them down right here so I don't misplace them. So you can see there's all these different holes where you could take this out and put it in where you want it. But let's say we have it here. And okay, so let's say I wanted to draw this scene right here, right? And I wanted to know, okay, I want to make it bigger. So how big is the whole thing? So on here, it's that big. But if I were wanting to make it on a bigger page, I can make it that big. And then if I could say, okay, well, how much is just the trees? How wide are just the trees? So I could say from the bottom to the top here, right here, is this big, but if I want to make it bigger, it could be this big. Now, of course, I could take this out, so put it lower down so that there's a bigger difference, or higher up. It's almost in the middle now. So depending on where you move this, and to move it, you just pull this out, and then just kind of put it back in, up higher or down lower or wherever you want. And then this is like a little locking mechanism. So here is if I wanted to make it like a lot bigger. So now, if I were to measure on this side, it's only this big on this side, but that same thing would be this wide on this side. So if I were drawing on, say, a 5x7 paper, I would say, okay, even though that's just the background and the distance, that's how big I need it. And I bought this to use with portraits just to help me. So if I'm drawing a face, I could say, okay, well, how big is it from the top of the paper to the top of the head, the bottom of the paper to the chin? How big is the whole face? Okay, how big is the eye? Now, how far away from the eye is the other eye or the nose? I bought it for that. Now, you got to be careful because it doesn't really hold it great in place. So I find sometimes when I'm moving it over, it's really easy to do that. So I'm not sure how to make it lock in place. So what I've just been doing is once I get it to the site that I want it with my other one, I only hold the one leg. I don't hold both legs so that I don't jostle it so they don't move. And I find that is the easiest way to not move it. Because if I'm just holding one leg, it's very stable. So that's what I do is once I get the measurement that I want, I let go of the top leg and I usually just hold the bottom. And I make sure not to touch that. And you have to lie it like flat. So if you're working flat like this, you have to make sure it's also flat on your paper. So you have to make sure not to angle it or anything. But I find this very helpful and I plan on using it for portraits. Probably not for anything else because I'm pretty good about freehand for drawing now for like landscapes. But for faces, even just being off a fraction of an inch makes a big difference. So I just want to help use this until I get better at going by eye of where the eyes and the nose and the mouth and the distance. So yeah. So that is it. It was only $1.79. They are all sold out right now. But I see other ones for sale on Temu that are the same. For $4.05, $4.22. Yeah. But unfortunately, these are all sold out. because they were having such a good deal, $1.79, and they're usually about $4 or $5. So yeah, so now I have 2 of them, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to keep one in my art room and one in my bedroom, because I also do a lot of art in my bedroom. And I find when I move stuff around a lot, I forget where it is, which is no good. Anyway, so that is it. Let me know if you use it, or anything like this, how you like it, and if you have any tips for making sure you're not moving it, other than just holding onto one side after you've got it measured to where you want it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, happy crafting. Bye guys.